శ్రీ సీతా లక్ష్మణ భరత శత్రుఘ్న హనుమత్ సమేత శ్రీ రఘునందన పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. అస్మద్ గురుభ్యో నమః. రామ్ రామ్. We had a small introduction about spiritual intelligence last episode. Now we will go further deep into it. It is of course a big ocean. We cannot go deep into it, but we will take one more drop from it so that it will be helpful for us to lead our life. Every one of us has spiritual intelligence. We all have it within us. It is an inbuilt software. Where we reach and whom we take as our guru, how he is guiding us, all contributes for the development of that spiritual intelligence in us. And it is for us to develop it. What we can do with that spiritual intelligence is, we can very soon come out of any ill feeling or any disturbing factors around us or any tragedy. The spiritual intelligence gives us enormous strength. It will give us to analyze the situation more easily and without any confusion, so that it will help us to come out of it. How we say that we all have spiritual intelligence? Now if you see a baby around you, you automatically get attracted towards it and you go to it, talk to it, try to get something from the baby. It smiles, you become happy. If you look at it, you become happy. Why that happens? Because that kid is full of positive energy. It doesn't have anything in its mind. It even does not know that you are a known person or unknown person. It immediately smiles at you. That is because of the positivity, and the child also sees the positivity in you. What? That smile. So if the child is seeing you smile, it is also smiling. So that is the attraction of the positivity. So how to develop that? First thing we have to do is, whatever happened yesterday, we should leave it and just march forward. One. Second thing, we should also introspect what we have done so far. Sometimes whatever you did, we cannot undo it. Doesn't matter. There is no individual who doesn't make any mistake. Every one of us will make mistakes. That is why we are born as human being. We are not God. Definitely we will make mistakes. That is not a big issues in life. But how well we correct it. And one more thing is, it is not necessary for us to show everyone that we have corrected that mistake. It is that we need the same situation when it is repeated again. We should be a different personality that time. That itself will show that we have developed. These are all the things we see every positive situations, positive thing in every situation, then we will be developing. This is also a kind of spiritual intelligence. Now in order to keep ourselves such a positive person, what we have to do? We have to see positive things in others. We have to exhibit all positivity that we are having. We should not carry anything. We should know how to appreciate others. We should know how to accept others with all their negativity. If we are going to take one thing for a practice, we will definitely become positive person. So once we are positive, we will exhibit only positive energy from us, which will be helpful for the family to understand us better, and for us also to live in any situation with a very peace. So in what way this is going to help the children? You all know. I think this needs no explanation at all. Because when we are positive, We will handle the child in a positive way, which will keep them happy, which will attract them towards any positivity. So children will also become positive. So situation itself will become positive. So if we want to develop all positive attitude, positive thoughts, and we should also show only positive gestures, first we have to get ourselves energized positively from a very positive energy field, that is our beloved Lord. Whoever is beloved to us, go to them, pray for the positive energy, for the positive grace, for the grace of that God to flow on us, which will help us to become a positive person. Sahi Vidya Ya Bhagavad Praptyartha. True knowledge shows the path of God. Ram Ram.